My name is Ethan Boggs. I pastor Vibrant Church in Columbus, Mississippi. Vibrant Church is a life-giving church in a community reaching people who are far from God. So currently our kids facility is packed, and so what we've been doing is looking at options to do that, and we connected with Live Design. Been great to work with them, very personable, very kind, very conscious of our needs, and very thoughtful and very helpful, and it's been an incredible experience.
I'm Pat Davis, and I'm the CFO at Vibrant Church in Columbus, Mississippi, and excited to be here for the second time. Was here for the first project that we completed back in 2019, and we have had a first-class experience, five-star experience with the team here, and so good to reconnect.
You're just sitting there, it's very comfortable, and you just talk about your needs, and then you get to be a part of moving things around, walls and doors, and it's amazing.
Now, for me personally, it's more of a legacy thing. You know, I've got kids at the church, I've got grandkids, I see kids all around, and it's more of a legacy.
When you're growing, it's just, you're trying to learn to build a plane and fly a plane all at the same time, and so we're doing our best, and got a good team around us with good people like Live Design to help us.